Arisht,
Okay, ma'am.
are you asking me something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
You're asking something? Okay, page number 98, children, exercise 3. Yesterday we had finished the first two exercises. Now let's continue. The review paper 2. Exercise 3 says circle the correct answer. This helps us to feel things around us. This helps us to feel things around us. And your options are tongue, hand, skin, nose. Satakshi, this helps us to feel things around us. How do you feel things? With the help of your tongue, hand, skin or nose?
Skin.
Skin, that's right. Circle skin, children. The third one, third option, skin. Next, B, Arjun, a fruit that we can eat. A fruit that we can eat. Your options are, listen to the options carefully. Carrot, spinach,
Mango.
cabbage, mango. Okay, mango. Put a circle on mango, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
And which page
C,
number?
page number 98. Alia, the next one. C, this animal gives us eggs. Options are duck, goat, dog, cat. Alia?
Duck.
Duck, that's right. Put a circle on duck, children.
Duck.
Okay, Sitra, the next one. We breathe air through this. Your options are nose, ears,
Ma'am, which
eyes,
page
legs.
number?
Yes, Sitra?
Ma'am, nose.
Nose, that's right.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 98. Page number 98. Is she the next one? Is she the next one? Switch on your camera, is she? The baby of a cow is called this. The baby of a cow is called this. And your options are duckling, cub, calf, puppy. The baby of a cow is
Calf.
called calf. That's right. C-A-L-F, calf. Put a circle there, children. Abdul, the next one. The season when it
Ma'am,
rains. The season when it rains, and your options are spring, summer, monsoon, winter.
ma'am, monsoon.
Monsoon, that's right. Now, the next
Okay, ma'am.
exercise
Thank you,
number
ma'am.
4, tick the odd one out. Now, next exercise, you have to tick the odd one out, children, and there are some hints given over there. The first one, A, nose, eyes, root, legs. Once again, nose, eyes, root, legs. And the hint that is given to you is parts of our body. Parts of our body, उसमें there is one which is odd one. Nose is a part of your body, eyes is a part of your body, root is a part of your body. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. Okay. Legs, a part of your body. Okay. So thumbs down was root. So put a tick on root, all of you. Put a tick on root. Next, puppy, kitten, cub, baby, plant. Now, hint is babies of animals. उसमें से सब babies of animals हैं. One is odd one out. Puppy is an animal baby. Kitten is a
Ma'am,
baby of an
plant.
animal. Cub is an animal.
Plant is a tick.
Baby plant. Okay, Myra. Baby plant. Put a tick on baby plant. Baby plant. Come to page number 99. C. Drinking, bathing, eating, washing. Uses of water. Which is the odd one over there? Drinking, you use water. Bathing, you use water. Eating. Eating, when you're eating, you're mixing water in that? Okay, so put a tick on eating. Put a tick on eating. Next one, sunny, winter, cloudy, rainy. And the hint that is given is type of days. Type of days. सनी डे जब बहुत धूप होती है, क्लाउडी जब क्लाउड्स होते हैं, रेनी जब बारिश होने लगती है, एंड देन यू हैव विंटर. विंटर इज अ सीजन. विंटर इज अ सीजन जो लंबे समय तक चलता है. सो द ऑड वन इज विंटर. पुट अ टिक ऑन विंटर. नेक्स्ट, stone, bucket, ball, bottle. And your hint is man-made things. इसमें से there is one odd one and the others are man-made. Stone, bucket, ball, bottle. Now bottle, ball, bucket ये सब man-made है. Stone is the odd one. So put a tick on stone. Put a tick on stone. Stone is a natural thing. Then you have sun, stars, moon. F, sun, stars, moon. Hint is seen in the night sky. Path, sun, stars, moon. Which is the odd one? And your hint is seen in the night sky. Which is the odd one? उसमें से एक है जो odd, जो रात में हम लोग क्या क्या देखते हैं? रात में हम लोग क्या क्या देखते हैं? स्टार और मून. सन हम लोग, आई एम टॉकिंग टू पार्थ जस्ट नाउ. पार्थ, सन हम लोग कब देखते हैं? इन द डे टाइम और इन द नाइट?
In the daytime.
In the daytime. So which is the odd one over there? Path?
Sun.
Sun. Okay. Put a tick on sun, all of you. Now the next exercise, number 5, it says give one word answers. This body part helps us to see. Hanya, which body part helps you to see?
Ma'am, eyes.
Eyes. Right over there, eyes. E-Y-E-S. Roshni, the next one. The body part that helps us to run.
Legs.
Legs, okay. Right over there, legs. Bhavika, are you writing? Bhavika, which page are we on? Yes, Bhavika. Unmute yourself.
Number 1. 99.
Yes. And which answer are you writing? We are on exercise number 5. Give one word answers. We have finished number 1. This body part helps us to see, that is eyes. And the body part that helps us to run, legs. Come on, right over there.
Ma'am.
Yes, Myra.
Ma'am, leaving air is called.
Myra, which one are you on? We are on number 2 just now. Just wait. Now the next one, C. Moving air is called. Arjun, moving air is called.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise 5. C. Moving air is called. Give me one word for that.
Ma'am, wind.
Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Write it there. And don't talk to your mummy over there, Arjun. You pay attention. Wind. Next, C. Rudra. Next one, D. Water from the clouds falls as. Rudra, water from the clouds falls as. What is that called? Rain. That's right. R-A-I-N, rain. Yes, thank you, Rudra.
मैम
Yes, Aradhya.
मैम बी नंबर पे क्या था मैम?
बी पर है लेग्स। आप किस बॉडी पार्ट से रन करते हैं आराध्या?
मैम
आराध्या, हाउ डू यू रन? आराध्या, जल्दी जल्दी आंसर करना है। जब आप दौड़ते हैं
R-A-I-N
यस
R-A-I-N
नो आई एम यू आस्क्ड मी नंबर बी नो क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 5 बी वाला आंसर आप पूछ रही थी, आपने लिख लिया?
Yes मैम।
ओके ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन। यस नाउ डी।
क्या था?
D. Water from the clouds falls as rain.
मैम C
C is wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Moving air is called wind. You have to read all the lessons very carefully, children. जब आप lessons को, सारे subjects के lessons को अच्छे से reading करेंगे, तब आपसे lesson में से कहीं से भी कोई question पूछा जाएगा तो आप आंसर कर सकते हैं। Yes, वानी।
क्लाउडी मानसून होता है।
क्लाउडी मानसून में भी होता है और कभी कभी सडनली जब वेदर चेंज हो जाता है क्लाउड्स आ जाते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट ई। डेज व्हेन देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ क्लाउड्स आर कॉल्ड। यस अब्दुल।
मैम नंबर डी पर क्या था?
नंबर सी, मूविंग एयर इज कॉल्ड विंड। W-I-N-D। यस अब्दुल। D. D for doll. Yes, Abdul. Water from the clouds falls as rain.
में क्या होगा?
Children, I am just calling out once again. A, eyes. Listen carefully, all of you. A, eyes. B, legs. C, W-I-N-D, wind. D, R-A-I-N, rain. Now E, days when there are lots of clouds are called cloudy days. C-L-O-U-D-Y. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. And F, we wear woolens in this season. We wear woolens. Bhavika, just wait. Listen carefully first. We wear woolens in this season. किस season में हम लोग woolens पहनते हैं? आलिया.
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। विंटर।
Winter season. Okay, right over there, winter. F. Yes, Myra.
Mommy.
C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy.
ये छोड़ गया क्या? क्लाउडी है पता है।
Alia, mute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Roshni.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Roshni.
मैम मानसून सीजन और रेनी सीजन एक ही होते हैं।
Yes, मानसून को हम रेनी सीजन भी बोलते हैं और रेनी सीजन कभी कभी रेनी डे भी हो जाता है जब बारिश होने लगती है सडनली। कभी कभी क्या होता है समर्स में भी सडनली बारिश होने लगती है ना, वेदर चेंज हो जाता है, रेनी हो जाता है। कभी कभी विंटर्स में भी रेन होने लगती है, दैट इज रेनी डे। बट मानसून इज द सीजन और उसको हम लोग रेनी भी बोलते हैं, रेनी सीजन भी बोलते हैं। हिंदी में आप लोग बोलते हैं ना बरसात का मौसम है, बरसात का मौसम में बोलते हैं ना मानसून और रेनी। Yes, Bhavika, what are you asking?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Winter की spelling क्या होती है?
WINTER. You have to learn up the spellings, children. Very important. Once I finish with the course, हम एक दिन आप लोगों को spellings देंगे और सारे subjects की spelling combine करके देंगे जैसे हम देते हैं आपको. I want to see that you are learning all the spellings. सारे subjects में new words हमने आप लोग को बोला है आपको learn करते रहना है.
मैम ई में है क्या?
So with that, we finish with your science course. Now, social study course is over, maths course is over, science course is over, right? Literature also is almost over. We have 2 exercises. हम उन exercises की pictures आपको भेज देंगे. You can complete them, okay? And the last
English the last.
Children, just listen first. English literature, the last chapter you will cross it out. English literature, the last chapter you will put a cross.
मैम
Yes.
मैम कौन सी क्लास होगी?
Yes, Ashika?
मैम ये लेक्चर खत्म नहीं है, इसके बाद टाइम भी है मैम.
Okay. Yes, Bhavika?
C D और F बता दीजिए.
C is WIND. WIND. Have you written, Bhavika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. D is rain. RAIN, rain. E is cloudy.
E no, ma'am.
F is winter. WINTER. All right. So now with that we will finish with your classes. Yes, Bhavika. Bhavika, which one are you asking now?
F में ER होगा.
E.
Ma'am.
Bhavika.
Yes.
E is cloudy. F is winter.
Ma'am.
Yes, Vani.
Ma'am, also have to send this work.
No. Now, children, page number. The next page after this. Just turn the page 100. Page 100. You have project time. It's a nice colorful page. This you will do on your own. You can paste your photograph there and then your favorite fruit. This is all about yourself. Okay, you can complete this page. You can complete this page. And you can send me the pictures of these 2 pages also. So आज आपको हमें मैथ्स के 2 पेजेस की पिक्चर्स भेजनी है और साइंस के इन दोनों पेजेस की पिक्चर्स. Understood?
Mama, excuse me, ma'am. मैथ में कौन से पेजेस भेजने?
भाविका, मैथ्स में हमने आज 2 पेजेस करे, वो 2 पेजेस आपको सेंड करने हैं.
मैंने कौन सी भेजनी है साइंस में?
साइंस में you will do this page, project time. Can you see this picture? You will finish these 2 pages and send them. Right? Got it? Now with that we finish with your science course also, children.
101.
Yes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So with that, we finish your classes with me for the day. You have your Hindi and computers also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.